Hello everyone, now I choose question 10. How does deforestation affect animals? Personally, deforestation is a major problem to animals because it destroys their natural habitat. When forests are cut down, uh, many many species lose their home and food. For example, bird and monkey that live in tree, but it often uh, cannot find in a new place to stay. This lead, this lead to a decline in their population. Moreover, deforestation causes habitat decline, which means the forest is broken into small, separated areas. This makes it difficult for animals to travel, find mates. When animals cannot find enough food in the forest, they may into human area, which, uh, which create danger, danger conflict. If we do not protect the environment, many unique uh, species could face extinction in the near future. Thanks for watching.